To you on this are kind as well, no doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. Well, this is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
The action has already started. Van Dijk.
Well, neither team has yet managed to impose any authority, and as a consequence, this game's just drifted.
Now it's Henderson. 1-0.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
Now it's Mohamed Salah, Alexander-Arnold, Jordan Henderson, Liverpool looking to pass their way through. And the shot's on here. Adama Traore, hurtling down that right flank. He's a sharp little ball here. Van Dijk. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. And the score is 1-0. Robertson.
It looks very much like they'd be happy to settle for this narrow lead at the break.
And it's Henderson. And it's Salah. Sarabia goes on a charge down the left. Moved forward and quickly so. Spread neatly. He'll try to keep this alive.
Glimpses of some wonderful football to go in with the lead at half-time, and that's definitely pleased the fans. I think they'll be looking
here. Liverpool carrying a one-goal lead. Jordan Henderson.
Look, movement creates...
Matheus Nunes. And Alexander-Arnold. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Being still separated by the game's only goal. Alexander-Arnold. Ball played for Gomez. Alexander-Arnold.
The attendance for this match was 71,550.
Throw in. And it's Henderson.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
Darwin. Great ball, and he's in here. And he's gone backward here. Fabinho. And he's in on goal. Mohamed Salah. Great hit! And it's in! And goal comes comfort. The invitation was clear, and it was accepted with...
Spectacular. Why complicate?
69 minutes is number 11, Mohamed
Things starting to look very comfortable.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Now it's Moutinho. That was good pressing, forced the error to put an end to it before things could get even more threatening. Good pressure, no shortage of purpose here. Could be danger here. And it's Henderson. Nunez. Robertson gets flagged offside. Robertson gets the better of his opponent and gets the ball. Passing is crisp and sharp. Is there any chance? Another chance! Yes! And surely that settles it. Received it delightfully and finished it off sumptuously.
after 83 minutes is...
Are making a change now.
Yeah, it's about time I think we saw some activity from the bench, but it's debatable as to what level of impact can be made from here. It's pretty late.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Gomez. Not too much more here than seeing out time, and time is very nearly seen out.
4 added minutes has been
Dijk.
indicated.
And back to the keeper they go. 4 extra minutes added on. And it's Gomez. Now Van Dijk. Darwin.